Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're delving into a crucial skill. It's about how to write compelling meta descriptions for SEO. It's not just about being found, it's about making an impact in the digital landscape. Let's dive in. Meta descriptions are your website's ambassadors in search results. They are short but also important. Here's how to craft ones that truly shine. First, clarity and brevity. Keep it crisp, around 150 to 160 characters. Clearly state what your page offers and why it's worth a click. Remember, searchers want instant answers. Now, integrate keywords naturally. This signals search engines that your page is a valuable match for the user's query. Next is unique selling proposition. What makes your content special? Highlight your unique selling points. Are you offering a solution, a benefit, or exclusive insights? Make it possible to resist. Use words that trigger curiosity, excitement, or urgency. Engaging the reader on an emotional level can lead to more clicks. And don't forget, honesty is key. Don't promise more than your content can deliver. Be truthful in your meta description. Honesty builds trust with your audience. And that's a wrap. You're now equipped with the knowledge to craft compelling meta descriptions for SEO. These snippets are your chance to stand out in the search results and entice users to click on your link. Remember that well-crafted meta descriptions not only improve click-through rates but also enhance your website's overall SEO performance. So start optimizing those meta descriptions and watch your online presence soar. Thank you for joining me today in this enlightening session. Once again, thank you for watching how to write compelling meta descriptions for SEO. See you in my next video.